Hi guys and welcome to Nail Arte PH. Today I'll be reviewing these Galaxy polish that I purchased off Shopee. So I got these polishes for 9 pesos each. Super duper cheap. And I was curious, so I bought the whole collection. They came in 8 colors, so we'll be going through each color one by one, and then I'll be showing you a sample of how I used it. So this first bottle is a indigo to purple color, and it has little flecks of glitter. So as you move, you can see how the color changes. The second color is a purple to bronze color. This one doesn't have any glitter, so you can see that the color just changes. This third color is a bronze gold color that changes into greenish gold. The next color is a maroon to gold color. Then we have this metallic green, dark metallic silverish green that will color shift into a teal like color, so it's a little bit more blue. It's basically green to blue. And number 6 is actually my favorite color. So this one is a teal, metallic teal that goes to purple. So the colors are just so vibrant for this polish. Number 7 is another purple polish, but this one it goes purple to gold and it has glitter. So in this whole collection, there are 2 bottles with glitter in it. Number 8 is a steel blue color that goes to purple. I'll be putting the link to the store where you can purchase this in the description box. So I'll be swatching one color for you to see the consistency, and I prepared a black based swatch stick. I noticed if you have a black base, you will need 2 coats of the polish to get full coverage. They apply really nice and easy. If you don't have any black polish on hand, you can apply 3 to 4 coats of this Galaxy polish to get full coverage. At the start of the video, I showed how the colors look like under the sun, and these are how they look like indoors. So the color shifting magic, so to speak, it only shows indoors. So for designs, I decided to do some stamping. If you're to stamp over a color like this, you should use a template that has a lot of negative space so that it shows off the color underneath. I used a black stamping polish and I chose 2 designs. One is like a net design and one is a filigree swirly type of design. These would go really well if you have a fish scale template, but I don't have that, so there, I had to use something else. Overall, for 9 pesos for each bottle, I think this set is such a good buy. The colors are great and the quality is very good. So after stamping your designs, you have to of course seal it with a top coat. mean, the camera doesn't really show the colors. It's really hard to capture it on camera, but these polishes look so much better in person. And here we go. Here's the finished design. As you can see, as the nails move, the color changes with it, and you can subtly see the chosen designs and still appreciate, of course, the base color. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.